Alright, I've got a small Walmart haul here. I bought some Cheeto Puffs, which I've already gotten into. I bought 2 boxes of baking soda. I use it in my tea, and I keep it in the refrigerator to, keep it fresh and, keep odors out. If you would like to know how I make my tea, I make it just like my mama used to make it, and her mother, my grandmother, used to make it. If you want to know how I make it, my sweet tea, the baking soda cuts out the bitterness. Let me know in the comments and I will do a video on that. I bought some Red Bull, a 4-pack. It's cheaper that way. Diced tomatoes. I had ordered the frozen ones, but they were out, so I'll just put that in a freezer bag and use those. Those are fun. Oven roasted, thin sliced turkey breast. All those Hawaiian sweet rolls that I bought, I was thinking what to do with them. I'm going to make some sliders. Those will be good. Then I like this Zatarain shrimp Alfredo. And the Marie Callender chicken Alfredo bowl. These are just for when days I don't feel like cooking. And I just pop those in the oven. And I got a meal for the night. I found this beef and bean chili cornbread pie. If you would like me to do a review video on that, let me know. I will do one. And we'll see how it tastes. It looks good. Sometimes looks can be deceiving. I bought some more of my green tea. And I bought some of this Lipton, Georgia style iced tea, peach. I seen Paisley Bradley on her grocery haul had bought that. And I like peach tea. I usually buy the Snapple. But I want to try this. It looks good. And let me see. I think that's it. Okay, yes, that's it. If you're not subscribed, I hope that you will subscribe and click the notification bell so that you'll be notified when I upload a new video. I cook. I'm a country cook. I learned from my mom how to cook. She was from South Carolina. And my daddy was from Georgia. He cooked sometimes too. And that's how I learned to cook. I'm a home cook. I'm not a chef. And that's I do haul videos too. And sometimes I do reviews on food. Alright, thank you for watching. Bye.